everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to make an invitation card using Canva in just 1 minute. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Canva on your phone or browser like this, and then next just go to template, this one, and then just search for the invitations, or you can also search it with more detail, like maybe wedding invitations or invitations birthday and many more. Just make it detailed, for example like this. Like this, you will see tons of ready-made invitations template, like for uh for the event, or maybe for the party, wedding party, and many more. Just choose one template that match your event. For example like this, just choose one, and then next just tap on the custom this template like this, and then next you can start editing to your template, like change the tag, adjust the color, replace images, or add more images, add more elements, and many more. You can just customize everything to fit your styles. Just feel free to be creative on your designs like this, and once you're done, just tap on download or share, and okay, that's it. Your invitations card is ready using Canva. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.